Look at these 3 boys. Ona Amara, what happened to these 3 boys? Biano Sono. Brother Ebuka, where is your money going? I don't know them all from anywhere. This one is the only son, no father, no mother. And this one. I took 3 of them to Ogun State Rehabilitation Center because they are mini boys. You cannot believe that they are very fat. I spent millions, so they are feeding them, they are sleeping. Because when I saw them, I pitied them. And since that time, they came back. How many months now?
Just 3 weeks from now, we are back.
How many months do you spend there?
7 months.
I was paying the hospital bill, and they are feeding. And they have never smoked since that time again. And we will still help them. Onyenka, being the only son, no father, no mother. They want to kill him. The 2 sisters are in Zion. We are still taking care of them. This is where my money used to go. We are happy for them. So after the program, before you go back to your wife, before you go back, this one will look for something. After the program, I am happy. I saw them. I could not recognize them again. Very fat, you know. Before they were slim. People that were eating one place for 9, 7, 8 months, eating and sleeping. So that is what we normally do in Zion Ministry here. May God bless 3 of you. Will you smoke again?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Have you been tempted to smoke since that time? Eh? What is 3 gas? May God bless them. We will see you after the program today. God bless you. Are you happy? What who know they happy? Hope people are happy.
I'm happy, very happy, sir.
I'm happy.
I'm happy, sir. What the father could not do, the mother could not do. Someone who doesn't know them did it. That is the work of God. Nani olwani, nani olwani, nani olwani kagechi chetana, otwa kageti alobowabali, nani olwani kagechi. The family is hoping on you.
Yes, sir. I'm the only one.
Everybody believe in you.
I'm the only.
If you didn't bring money, nobody can eat.
I'm the only person.
But still, nothing works for you.
Family.
A whole family is tried, believing in one person and they don't have. But today, go back to where you are coming from. I see door opening.
Amen.
Woman, bring your husband up. No. Bring him up very well. Bring him from the stomach. Anyhow, bring him up. Bring him very well. Bring him very well. Sister, bring her. Anybody that first get up, bring another. Kulitie, of my kulite tingi, dolitie, no role memje pa mama. Iana mem ni sabela. Onye ti shara.
Obulo dogu.
Ole nde choro ke ti shahata. Hug yourself, but tell your husband to be careful. I see police case. Police. Hey, listen to me. Police problem. When he travel back, he should be careful.
I have court case today in Canada.
You have court case in Canada?
Yes.
I'm seeing police picking you for 1 or 2 things. Be very careful. The spirit in me is telling me. Now, where did you see your husband to marry him? In the church. You like him? Huh?
I do.
He do. And the Lord will bless two of you. He's a good man.
Amen.
But always advise him there is one thing that can put him to prison.
Yes, sir.
Do you know? I don't want to mention it here.
Yes, sir.
Tell him to be careful. Any move from now, I see where he's been arrested and detained and jailed. Tell him to be careful. The mercy will come. Favor will come naturally and it's going to become great.
Amen. Oh.
The case is settled.
Amen.
Tell them to see me. Now listen to me. If you're a woman, before I started prophesying now, if you're a woman, respect your husband. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Let me see your hand. Your time has come. Your time has come. Are you preparing for a building?
Yes, sir.
Money will come. Your days have been sorrow. They don't be feeling.
Too much.
There is nothing you put hand that work.
Yes, sir.
You have put hand in so many things and fail. The Lord will change your situation. Get ready for favor. Get ready for favor. You cannot come out from that family which nobody is doing well and succeed with that prayer. In your family, nobody is doing well.
Only that.
That is what they call the kwakamde. That is a robe of poverty. Anyone that is dying will drop the robe for another one. It has been recirculating in your family. But today,
almost
Break every chain, 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 break every chain.
you are coming from Dubai. Before 1 year from today, everybody will watch this video and watch your testimony. Your yoke is broken. Onye tichara of broken. Oh, Shandale Brakata Sunda Ele Anshonobo Sunda Kondoke. Dubai Zion member. Dubai Zion member. Dubai Zion member. Children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nobody is doing well. Favor will come. Get ready. I see houses rising. Amen.
Now, I want to talk wetin Evangelist Ebuka Obi do. These young boys where Evangelist Ebuka Obi help, nobody know. If he say he no bring them out, nobody will hear about it. I told you people before that Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they help many people, but sometimes you no go see it all this is online. There are a lot of people where Evangelist Ebuka Obi is helping, but you not see it online. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you what I experienced. May God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and I pray that these 3 young boys, God will protect them, and they will be strong. They will not return back to their vomit. That is my prayer for them. Yes, Evangelist Ebuka Obi spent billions of naira upon them. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is trying, but you people will not know. And all these content creators, bloggers, they will not bring this them online. They will not post it online. Yes, what they are looking for, what they will post to mock Evangelist Ebuka Obi, what they will post to countermote him. They will not post all this work, good work, messages Evangelist Ebuka Obi they preach. They will not post it.